I thought you might be able to give me some advice.
You wouldn't want to be buying one of my pictures.
Oh, certainly. You're working on a painting now?
A portrait, not quite finished.
Oh, that must be a judge.
Judges are my speciality.
What does that represent?
You can see for yourself. Justice.
Yes, there's the bandage over the eyes, but aren't those, ouch! Aren't those wings there on heels?
My instructions were to paint it that way.
Flying? Justice ought to stand still, don't you think? Or else the scales will waver and a just verdict won't be possible.
Well, actually, it's justice and the goddess of victory combined. What does she look like to you?
Like the goddess of the hunt. In full cry.
Ciccarelli, can we come in now?
Nasty thing, we're busy.
You aren't really busy. You're gonna paint him. Please don't paint him. Not an ugly one like that.
These girls belong to the court. Well, Joey, practically everything belongs to the court. But it's behind the scenes, here in this very studio. That's where you get your results. Oh. I forgot to ask you what kind of acquittal you want. Ostensible or definite acquittal or deferment? Definite acquittal's the best, but I can't influence that kind of verdict. Nobody can.
Why?
I never in my life heard of a case of definite acquittal. What's wrong?
Is there a window or something we can open?
Oh, well, there's plenty of air comes in through those chinks, and if you want some ventilation, you open that door just there behind you. The judge I'm painting now, for instance, he always comes in by that door. I've had to give him a key for it in case I have to be out. His honor usually arrives very early when I'm still asleep. It's not exactly a soothing experience, you know, to wake up in the morning and find the judge all dressed up in those crazy ceremonial robes, climbing over your bed.
He's taking off his jacket.
They seem to think I'm going to paint your portrait, and that's why you've taken off your jacket.
What are the other alternatives?
You mean the legal alternative?
Yeah.
I told you, ostensible acquittal or indefinite deferment. What's wrong, Joey? Aren't you feeling well?
No. Must be the heat.
If I open that door, we'll have those girls in here all over us.
Well, don't do that.
Well, now, with ostensible acquittal, I write out an affidavit of your innocence and make the rounds of all the judges I know personally, beginning with the one I'm painting now. I explain to him that you're innocent, and myself guarantee that innocence.
And if he believes you?
As he very well might. You know, we mustn't be too pessimistic. Some of them are bound to believe me.
Yes, and I'd be free.
Ostensibly free. Naturally, the judges I know all belong to the lowest grade. They haven't the power reserved to the highest court of all to grant a final acquittal.
The highest court?
Chum, that court is inaccessible to you, to me, to all of us. What the prospects are up there, well, we just don't know. And we don't want to know. I'm sure you understand.
No, I'm not sure that I do.
And what they can do for you is to relieve you of the burden of the charge, lift it from your shoulders for a time. But it does hover around up there above you. You see, in definite acquittal, all the documents are annulled. But with ostensible acquittal, your whole dossier continues to circulate. Up to the higher courts, down to the lower ones, up again, down. These oscillations and peregrinations, you just can't figure them.
No use trying either, I suppose.
Not a hope. Well, I've known cases of an acquitted man coming home from the court and finding the cops waiting there to arrest him all over again. But then, of course, theoretically, it's always possible to get another ostensible acquittal.
The second acquittal wouldn't be final either.
It's automatically followed by the third arrest, the third acquittal by the fourth arrest, the fourth. You think a deferment would suit you any better, Joey?
Well, I couldn't really say.
Even then, you can't hold up a case forever. Measures have to be taken. Questions, interrogations, observation, more interrogations, evidence collected. Going already.
I'll be back to see you again very soon.
I'm going to keep you to your word, you know, Joey. Otherwise, I'll have to call into your office, and I know you wouldn't like that.
Unlock the store, will you?
You don't want to be bothered by the girls. We'd better slip you out this other way.